Welcome! Today we're going to load envelopes into your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. On the back of the machine, open the rear cover. Now open the multi-purpose tray. Extend the paper support. Adjust the paper guides to fit the paper. Place the envelopes on the multi-purpose tray with the printing side face up. Ensure that the tray is not loaded above the maximum fill line. On your software application, click on Printer Properties. And change the media type to envelopes. Then click OK. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.